uSteve Biko athi Christianity is the perfect religion for colonization and the maintenance of the subjugation of the people. He defines a religion as an attempt by men to relate to a supreme being, ukuzama kwabantu ukuhlangana noNkulunkulu wabo. Uyangithola? So athi religion has these main characteristics. It forms as a moral census. So religion yakutshela ukuthi yini into right, yini into wrong. It attempts to explain the destiny and the origin of man, yabo. So uyakutshela ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu uqala kuphi, umuntu oqala ubani, or ukuthi umhlaba wavela khona kanjani, nokuthi umuntu mekashona kuzoyenzakalani kuye, nokuthi noma aphila kumele aphile kanjani. Nokuthi all religion claims a monopoly on theology. Athi wonke ama-religion ayikho neyi-one evumayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami uphansi. Wonke lama-religion lanka abhiliva ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo uyo o-right futhi indlela yabo yokwenza izinto yiyo e-right. So uSteve Biko athi religion and culture are intertwined, yabo. You cannot separate i-culture yabantu ne-religion abayipractisayo. For example, because eSouth Africa we were colonized by white Christians, so labantu laba beza ngendlela zabo zokugqoka from their cultures, yabo, because religion comes with new ngendlela ezintsha zokugqoka, new clothing styles, new customs, new forms of antiques, and new medical approaches, yabo. So labantu laba, because they used to wear pants, if sacolonizer maybe ama-Muslims ngabe thina asigqoka ama-pants manje ngabe sonke sigqoka lama-rogo lanka abanokugqoka, yabo. So impahla osigqokayo is dependent on the religion you practice, yabo. So walaba yathi Christianity mayifika ifika yadivide abantu into two, mekasho uSteve Biko. Kwaba khona the people who were converted, amaqoboka, and the people who did not allow themselves to be converted, amaqaba, yabo. So amaqoboka, like because when they were converted bese bagqoka different, bese bakhuluma different, bese practice ama-different customs, bese qala ukubiza abantu amaqaba, yabo. Bese baqala ukubiza amaqaba ngabantu abakasathane, ngabantu abathandaza usathane. So uBiko uyaqhubeka athi whoever brings in the order knows it best, yabo, because Christianity was introduced by white Europeans, kusho ukuthi they know it better than us. So if bona bathi uNkulunkulu is white, angeke sibaphikise, kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu is white. If bathi sithandaza ngama-Sunday, every Sunday kuphela, asithandazi ngeSabatha, which is Saturday, kusho ukuthi sithandaza nini ngama-Sunday, like because they introduced they can tell us ukuthi yini into right ngayo, yini into wrong ngayo, yabo. So uSteve Biko athi black people feel like they are stepchildren to God, yabo. Ukuthi the God who's supposed to be our father, like you sense that feeling that we are stepchildren, yabo. Ati they cannot feel his presence, yabo. And you must understand ukuthi the Christian God is omnipresent, ukhona yonke indawo, mara thina black people cannot feel his presence. He adds ukuthi churches are the only spaces in which apartheid ayifiki khona, yabo. Churches like black people and white people can intermingle in church, but 80 to 90% of the people in church are black, and mara 80 to 90% of people who have wealth in church are not black. And so white Christians nabo have a responsibility to fight this oppression ngalama resources abanawo, yabo. So by them not redistributing ama resources amongst the church is a sign ukuthi even they themselves, white Christians, like do not believe in God, or they themselves like allow or perpetuate this suffering enzakalayo amongst the black community. The church adds to the pain of the black people in its definition of sin, yabo. Uthi in the church, if we are tshontsha, that is sin, yabo. If uqambamanga, that is sin. But the church does not regard sin like if utshontsha ukudla because ulambile, you are committing a sin, utshontshile. But lo muntu lo ukufake in a position ukuthi ulambe uzutshontshe, the church does not consider that as a sin, yabo. Into Steve Biko ayisho athi the church, if we are tshontsha, they consider that theft, they consider that sin, man. Theft, they consider it sin. If we are house breaking, they consider it sin. But if you create some situations in which abantu bazotshontsha, abantu bazolamba, they do not consider it sin, yabo. They don't consider overcrowding, unemployment, nayo yonke le thing as ama sins, Yangithola. So enye issue uSteve Biko ayibonile with the church, yabo. So uSteve Biko wathi you must create ama-black pastors, ama-black theologists must make church relevant to the people, to black people, because no one can win a war without faith, yabo. So regardless of him criticizing Christianity, regardless of him saying whatever about religion and nayo yonke le thing, he still believes ukuthi it's important with people to have faith in religion, maybe in Christianity, maybe in Islam, akabi specific ukuthi in what religion, yabo. Mara uqiniseka ukuthi it's important ukuthi sibe religious, mara kumele senze i-religion ibe relevant to the issues faced by the black people, yangithola. So what do you think about Steve Biko and his idea of the church? Do you agree ukuthi the church must be made relevant to the struggle of the people, or should the church be completely dismantled, abantu nje bangasa relate nale religion?